Hi guys, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we're going to create this awesome map component, so stay tuned. So today we're going to use a package called Leaflet, and the possibilities with Leaflet are endless. I've used it in multiple projects, both for customers and on my spare time, just because it's a freaking awesome package. So we're going to start off by going to this link, and I'll include this in the description, and we just want to install the npm package for it. So when this is done, I've already done that of course, we can go ahead and create a new folder, and we're going to call this map, and we can just create a new index.js file. First of all, we need React, of course, so import React like this. And then we need to import Leaflet. So we want to import L from Leaflet. We also need the CSS here, and you can find that by typing leaflet/dist/leaflet.css. And this is basically to make map tiles arrange correctly. And then we can import style components as well. Perfect. So the first thing we need actually is a wrapper for the map, and we want to be able to control the width and the height, so we're just going to create a style.div, because you need to set those with Leaflet. So width like this, and then the height as well. If you're wondering what the background noise is, it's my dog. Then we want to export a default class, and we're going to call this map. Like this. And now we need to initialize everything. And we can do this in the component did mount method, because the actual wrapper needs to be initialized, because we're going to fetch the ID from this, and this will be the base container basically. And in here we can create the map object, and we can do this by typing this.map is equal to l.map, and we want to throw in an ID here, and the ID of the wrapper here is going to be map. And then we can give this some default properties. So basically the center of the map, when you're loading it, I'm just going to choose a place over Sweden. And we can set some default zoom as well for the map. So the lower the zoom, the further out you are, basically. And then we just want to disable the zoom control, because I think it's ugly and it's annoying, and let's just get rid of it. So then we're going to create a tile layer, and we can do this by typing l.tile layer, and this actually needs a URL, and I've just copy and pasted this here, but you don't have to use this map style. You can actually go to, if we go to the Leaflet provider demo, I'm also going to link this in the description. You can scroll down here and you can see a lot of different maps and map types that you can choose from, but I just went with a map style that I'm mostly using. And this will also take some parameters here in an object, and the first one is we can detect retina on mobile devices. We can also set the max zoom. I'm going to set this to 20, and then we can set the max native zoom as well, and this is going to be 17 for now. And then in order to get this used by the map, we need to call a method called add_to, and then just throw in the map here like that. Now we need a render method, and we're going to return the wrapper, and we're going to set the width, set that to, let's say, 1280, and the height is going to be 720 pixels. And then we need an ID, and the ID will be map, so this ID must correspond to this ID here. And then we can save this, and we can take this map go into our main class and we can import it like this, and then we can just use it like this. And if we save now, we should have a map, and indeed we do. So this is how simple it is to set up a map component. And if you want markers and some other GUI stuff here, you can just go to the Leaflet documentation page. I can link this in the description as well. And this is a rather big documentation page, and as you can see, there are a number of methods that you can call and use and really customize your map for your needs. Maybe I'll do a tutorial about this in the future, but right now I'm just going to stick with this. So now we have a basic map setup, and that's how easy it is. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.